Alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna lock those two front gates and one of the side gates.
Ain't nobody doing the job right but me around here. I tell you what. What the heck is everybody doing? We should have found them by now.
Damn! Alright, I'm gonna hurry up and get these locks up then. Alright, gate by the gin is locked. Oh my god. Already? Oh, I thought you had to have the fuse to open it. I don't play a lot of... I don't play a lot of victim guys, so... Those wait times are ridiculous. Alright. One of them's in the house. I just heard her. I think it's Anna. One of them's over by the gate. Just marked her. It's Connie. She's going to the well. Alright, I'm gonna go lock one of these back gates. I think Anna is still in the house. Yep, there she is. She's coming to me. Wait, it's Leland. He's gonna shoulder check me. Can't shoulder check both of... Well, I guess you can, actually. Alright. Y'all handle him. I'm gonna go lock this gate. I got blood for Grandpa too, so it's all good. Alright, so the one gate I don't have locked is the, when you're walking up to it, is going to be the left-hand gate. That one right there is not locked. I mean, it's locked still, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Oh, I see you. I'll come help. You got her? There's another one right by you. Shit. I'm coming. Santa. You do that, I'll do this. Got it.
I know you around here somewhere. I got you now.
Alright, I'm gonna go check these locks on the back, guys. Both battery locks are still good. I'm coming. You got him? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. Good job. Hey, you killed a Jedi. Sorry. Well, then it all worked out in the end. Alright. Check my locks up here, guys. Both front locks are still good. I'm just gonna kind of do a big circle over and over again, guys. Okay, I'm going over there. Oh, Bubba's over there already. I'm in the back. Alright, I'm in the back checking these gates. Both back gates are still good. Fuse box is still closed. Somebody's up here. I'm gonna go see if they're messing with that water pump again, guys. Nope, nobody's on it. Thank you for holding her up, Johnny. Bonk, bonk. Thank you. Shit, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm gonna go turn it off. Oh, it ain't gonna work. Oh wait, no, it is. I got time. Julie just ran in the house. I'll get it. I'll get it. Thanks for the body block. All right. I'll go check the front. You check the back. Good call. One lock, both locks. Okay, both locks are still on. I'll feed Grandpa.
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now.
Oh shit! Is that y'all that just went out that gate? Oh damn it! All right, I'm coming. I wonder how long that's been open. Oh yeah. I never knew the significance of the yellow and red. I'm gonna stay in here and just watch that pump and watch the fuse. I think we only got 2 left, yeah. Alright. Back gates are still locked. Johnny's in the back with me.
Time to play. They couldn't have gone much further.
Man, I can't hear nobody. Johnny, is that you that just went out the gate? Oh, Connie's at the front. She's gonna go. Damn it, she's gonna leave, bro. She just went right in this this middle one right here, the one that leads out. So yeah, we're probably boned on that. I'm stopping her.
See what you made me go and do?
What the hell? I'm standing right in front of the door. She can't. She's on me, guys. She's on me. She just went in this other area. I got you. I got you. Oh, they got the valve too. Yeah, she's right in here somewhere, Johnny. I don't know where she went, but she's close. Oh, she's right here. She's right here. She's up front. She's up front. Hey! Bonk. I love that kill. All right. I'm gonna move one of my padlocks to that front because I think she got it unlocked. Alright. I think I just saw her in mid-map. I'll go feed Grandpa after this. Ooh, she did get it unlocked. We barely got her. I see her. I see her. Yeah. She's over by Grandpa. Now she's by the ladder. Damn, she got it open? Or did it close? Hey, you got her? Oh, I see, I see. She go downstairs? Alright, I'm gonna go feed Grandpa.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
Oh, she's in the car. Oh, that little bitch. We don't have... Damn it. We don't have anybody that can get her. Yeah, that's true. What a bum. I'll just use it to get points, I guess.
I'm fixing to find you all this for sure.
She's just in the car, huh? You're really teabagging, you dirty bitch. So you ought to be able to go behind the car. That is our fault for not bringing somebody with... I mean, but you're gonna bleed out, so it don't matter. Right, dirty bitch. Well, I'm just gonna go feed Grandpa and get some points. Fuck it. I mean, even if she comes out of there, she's not gonna do shit. Damn, where's some blood? There's some... Oh, man. No blood. All my buckets is empty. This should get him to 5. Like it matters.
That's it.
Oh, sorry, I beat you to it, Johnny. What a dirty bitch. Julie, you dirty big booty bitch. Get out of there. Take your medicine. Your friends was trespassing. This is ridiculous. It's our fault. I should have switched to the hiker or something. It would be funny if she got just a little too close. There should be a mechanism where you can set that car on fire. That would be hilarious. You dirty bitch. Damn, I wish I could teabag with the cook. That ain't fair. Right? The little cook shimmy. This is dumb. What does it take him, 5 minutes to bleed out? Oh my god. This is ridiculous. It's like treeing a cat. This is dumb. It's still a 4-4 game. I mean, ooh, I thought I was close enough that time. Oh, did she shank him? No way. Oh, what a bitch. What a dirty bitch. I can't believe she shanked him. What an asshole. I saw her easing up and I was like, oh, I might be able to hit her. And then she just shanked. It's like, damn, that's dirty, bro. Ah, well, she gonna bleed out in that fucking car. You gonna bleed out in that car, bitch? I'm gonna cook you up for dinner. The cook is easily the funniest of all the whole family. I love him so much. Hell yeah, bro. Come on, Grandpa. This dirty bitch, bro. I'm so mad at this hoe. If she stabs somebody else again, I'm gonna be so mad yet curiously appreciative, because it's hilarious. Are you really teabagging in this car as you bleed out? What's crazy is somebody's actually watching this. Oh, they've got a person in their party with them. Hey, it was my first 2-kill game as the cook, though, thanks to Johnny holding them up for me. I'm sorry. Yeah, man. That Connie almost had us, though. She was on her shit, bro. Just step one step too far, you dirty bitch. How long? Is it 5 minutes before they bleed out? I've never had this situation before. Damn, she is right on the edge. How am I not making contact? Haha! There we go. And Bubba got the kill. Nice stuff, boys. What do you think about that? You like that shit? You car hiding, bitch. It's our fault for not having somebody that can crawl, so it is what it is. Right? Yeah. Hey, I've made the point myself, because I hid in the car for a little while one time, and somebody's like, "Oh, you're cheating." Like, it's not my fault. Y'all don't have a hiker or sissy, so. But I didn't stay in there.